Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to filter the view of all the followed Facebook pages. If you're someone who uses Facebook regularly, you may have noticed that your newsfeed can get cluttered with posts from pages you followed. While some of these pages may be of interest to you, others may not be. In this video, we'll be showing you how to filter the view of all the followed Facebook pages. Step 1 is to download the Facebook app if you haven't already. You can find it in the Play Store by searching for Facebook. Once you found the app, tap on the white F with a white background and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in. Step 2 is to access the app settings. To do this, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access the app settings. Step 3 is to navigate to the Preferences section. Scroll down until you see this section and then tap on it. Step 4 is to select Newsfeed. This will bring up a list of all the pages you followed. Step 5 is to unfollow pages you no longer want to see posts from. To do this, tap on the X sign next to the page's name. Step 6 is to filter the view of your followed pages. Tap on the 3 lines next to the search bar and select one of the following options. Friends, to view posts from friends you follow. Groups, to view posts from groups you've joined. Pages and public figures, to view only certified pages with the blue checkmark or public figures like political, economical, or anything else. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily filter the view of all the followed Facebook pages. This can be helpful for keeping your news feed organized and relevant to your interests. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.